Hi, welcome to Early World History with Mr. Germain. This video is focusing in on week 2 for Mr. Germain's marking period Early World History Recovery. We're going to scroll on down and take a look at the Renaissance portion. It's going to have 2 assignments that are listed here. The first assignment is the Renaissance reading and question. You are going to first read the Renaissance document, which when it pops up is going to look like this. The Renaissance, also known as the rebirth, is going to explain the different parts to it, where it came from, different characteristics in regards to the Renaissance, and the start of the Renaissance. Once you have read everything about the Renaissance from that document, you are going to click on the second link. Questions. These questions are going to be directly pulled from the passage reading. So again, you might want to have the questions on one side of the computer and you might want to have the reading on the other side of the computer. So you can look back and forth to find the questions and the answers. Once you have finished responding to all of the questions, make sure to save the document. So all you will have to do is hit Submit Assignment, and you can upload that document you have typed in. If that's not what you want to do and you want to just type inside of the text box, you can do so as well, but just make sure you guys hit Submit Assignment before you leave this page. So that way it goes to Mr. Germain for grading. That is assignment number 1 for your Renaissance module. Assignment number 2 is going to be the humanism document and questions. When you go here, it's going to have you please read and analyze the document and answer the 4 questions below. The document that pops up is going to ask you questions about claims, evidence, words, and phrases, and what the author has left out. To make it a little bit easier for you, I have provided a humanism sentence starters document. It's the same exact document that Mr. Germain has given you. The only difference is that I, inside the document, have given you the opportunity to highlight what I'm trying to focus in on. For example, question number 1 wants to know the claims. That is another way of saying, what is the author trying to tell us? And I start your sentence out by saying, the author is saying, and you fill in the rest of that sentence. Question number 2, what evidence from the document does the author use to support those claims? Evidence from the document that supports the author's claims include, pull something out. Words or phrases, I did not give you a sentence starter for this because you are actually pulling the words and sentences from the document that are going to help convince us that the author is right. So you should be using quotes and pulling straight from the document up at the top. And then the last question is, what information does the author leave out? And what that's referring to is, what do you know about this time frame that the author is not explaining to us? And our sentence is going to start out with, the author left out details about, and you're going to finish the sentence. If you would like to use this document, you can click right here and it will pop up in your window and allow you to go and click on it and start editing it. If you don't need those sentence starters and you are more comfortable with just using the document that Mr. Germain has provided, again, you would click on the humanism and click on the document that he has been given. Okay? So, once you have finished this assignment, you are going to click on Submit, and you are either going to upload or you are going to copy and paste into the text box. Please make sure to submit the assignment so that way it gets sent to Mr. Germain for grading. If you have any questions or concerns, please let us know and we will help as much as we can.